いただきます。皆さん、こんにちは。Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. いらっしゃいませ。Today, we're gonna learn the top 10 Japanese phrases you need to survive a restaurant adventure in Japan. Let's dig in. When you enter a restaurant, the servers say, いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか? You might already know いらっしゃいませ. It means welcome. And the first phrase I'd like to teach you today is 何名様ですか? 何名様ですか? It means how many in your party. 何名 means how many people. And by adding 様, you can show respect and politeness. This is a super common phrase in restaurants. いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか? Next, when the server asks 何名様ですか? You can reply with 一人です。一人です for one. 二人です。二人です for two. Or 三人です。三人です for three. If you are introverted, that'll be enough. But just in case, 四人です。四人です for four. 五人です。五人です for five. If you know how to count to 10 in Japanese, basically, you just need to add 人 after the number. But 1 and 2 are exceptions, and as for 4, you don't say 四人 or 四人, but 四人 is correct. It'll be a bit confusing, but if you memorize them, you'll get the right sides of the table. いらっしゃいませ。何名様ですか? 二人です。一名様でよろしいですか? いえ、二人です。This is another super common phrase that servers say. ご注文はお決まりですか? 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 It means, are you ready to order? ご注文 means order, and お決まりですか means, have you decided? If you are ready to order, you can say, はい、yes, and order what you want. But if you are indecisive like me and haven't decided yet, you can say, まだです。まだです。It means not yet. ご注文はお決まりですか? まだです。Next, you might have learned it in the last video, but it's too useful not to mention in this video too. If you don't know what to choose, just ask the server like this. おすすめは何ですか? おすすめは何ですか? It means, what do you recommend? おすすめ means recommendation, and 何ですか means what is. In Japan, servers tend to recommend the restaurant's most popular dishes rather than their personal favorites. Now you've learned this phrase, you'll be able to get the best dishes in the restaurant. おすすめは何ですか? 天ぷらうどんがおすすめです。Then what should you say? If you think you'd like to order the dish the servers has just recommended, you can say, それ、お願いします。それ、お願いします。It means, that one please. それ means that one. お願いします means please. We learned お願いします in the previous video too, but this is too important to not. You don't wanna let someone decide what you eat? わかりました。Yes, it's your adventure. Just trust your instincts. First, just point to the dish that you want and say, これ、お願いします。これ、お願いします。これ means this. If you know the name of the dish, just say the name before お願いします。カレーうどん、お お願いします。カレーうどんお願いします。If you wanna order 2 or 3 dishes, please watch this video. Here is another super common phrase the servers definitely say. After you order the dishes, they'll say, ご注文は以上でよろしいですか？ご注文は以上でよろしいですか？ご注文は以上でよろしいですか？ It means, will that be all? ご注文 means order. 以上 means that's all. よろしいですか means is it okay? They sometimes omit the ご注文 part and just say 以上でよろしいですか So you should catch the word 以上、okay? ご注文は以上でよろしいですか？はい or はい、以上で。Now it's time for a feast. Before we start to eat, we say いただきます。いただきます。It is a phrase to express appreciation for the people who prepare the food and also for the food itself. Just put your hands together and say いただきます。If your meal tastes good, you can say おいしい or おいしいです if you wanna be polite. おいしい、おいしいです。And おいしかった、おいしかった is the past tense of おいしい。So after you finish the meal, you can say おいしかった or おいしかったです。おいしい。And when we finish the meal, we say ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。It means thanks for the meal. ごちそうさまでした。When you leave the restaurant after a check, it'll be nice if you say ごちそうさまでした to the server. They'll be happy if you say おいしかったです too. And if someone pays for your meal, you should say ごちそうさまでした to them to express appreciation too. ごちそうさまでした。おいしかったです。Oh, wait, Lily! We haven't learned the phrases for a check. I know. If you wanna learn the phrases for a check, please watch this video that I haven't made. This is gonna be my next video. If you like this video, please press the like button to encourage me to make 3 more videos. Thank you for coming on the restaurant adventure with me. I hope you enjoyed it and your real restaurant adventure in Japan will be amazing. See you in my next video. またねー。